Okay, well, this is my Fluval Edge. It's 46 litre, 12 US gallons. That's about 10 imperial gallons aquarium. So in the box we've got filter media, the lid, this is the LED light unit and back portion of the stand. Lots of cardboard. Okay, I think down in there that's the filter. A little bit disappointing that's left to rattle around inside the tank. We've got some water conditioners, filter intake tube, another filter intake tube, instruction manual, and the aquarium itself. Wow. Okay. As you can see, and then hidden away in the bottom of the box, we've got another leaflet and the bottom of the stand. Let's just get this out of the way. So, the filter then, this is they call it a Fluval Edge filter, but it's actually just an Aquaclear 20. Hagen's already been supplying these for years. It's not a new model by any means. Now the great thing about these filters is that Hagen actually offer a lifetime guarantee on the parts for normal wear and tear, so they're really high quality. This, when the tank's in operation, just sits on the back like that. In this box we've got the filter media, just in case you got confused. They kindly wrote it on the box. In there you've got sponge, bag of carbon, and biological media, which is biomass. Okay, I've taken everything out of the packaging now, so I've just assembled the tank. The first thing we have is the light unit in the back of the stand. That just connects to the base here. Just make sure that you're not trapping the wire at the back. See, that just sits in there like that. There's a little gap at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that down there, where the wires go down for the light unit. Then lift up the light, get the aquarium, sits on the base like that. Now you'll see there's two little location notches on the back of the stand, so what you have to do is lift that up slightly, manoeuvre the tank backwards and put those over the edge there, and that just holds it all together. Okay. So that's the tank and light unit. and your filter, as I showed before, when you set this up. Just sits in that space there. Neat. And then the lid, just in case it's like that. So that's it.